This will be the perfect saw for this. I'm so surprised at how easy it cuts. And those, that's poplar, and they're kind of a hardwood too. Julie got all the trees cut up, and I'm gonna start scooping them up. Yeah.
Super.
There you go. That looks better.
Yeah.
Okay, lumberjack Julie. We're trying to help. Our troopers helping out with the trees. So sometimes you can't scoop up as many as you'd like, but that's not bad. So when I said that I modified my equipment, this is hydrostatic anyways, so there's no clutch. Now, for the bucket, the hydraulics, that I just extended those with conduit pipe. Like, you're supposed to use your feet, or you can use your feet. But yeah, this is, anyways, you get it. Pretty simple mods, that and my lift. That's how I get in. Kind of fill up the bucket. That's about it. Now I'll put this down. Other controls, here's your throttle. It's weird, it's got a dial and a button. Throttle. It does have a gear selector, so I'm in second right now. Low when you're pulling something, third when you're on the road. This is your flow control for your hydraulics, and of course your bucket, grapple, and tilt. Oh no, grapple, tilt. Other hydraulic. Got an ashtray because it's 1990 or something like that. Cigarette lighter. This is your control for your 3-point hitch. It's not working right now. Drop rate also. This is what I use to start it. Because the key is broken, I'm gonna have to order a new ignition. This is your power takeoff for when I'm running like a mower or a grain loader or something. And then this is for your 3-point hitch as well, and the down doesn't work, and then back. So the further you go, the faster you go. And then if you're I'm going forward, if you're not, and then also the throttle makes a difference in your speed too. But it doesn't hurt it to come back without throttling down. So there you go. Bi-directional controls. So Trooper, he keeps a pretty good eye on me when I'm in this tractor. Ever since it ran out of fuel and he tried saving me, he doesn't know what to think of the ATV or the tractor. But anyways, he's always watching me. Keeps his distance though. There it is. It is really slick. It works good. My wife really liked it. She was a little bit intimidated at the start, but she did well it's still not, it's not very handy in a wheelchair. Not the safest. I thought I'd be able to run it with one hand, and I could for cutting logs that are horizontal. Vertical logs, not so easy to do it with one hand. It is 11 pounds, and but it, as you saw in the video, it works really good. So that's it's the Earthwise lithium 58 volt. I think it's a 14, I think they call it a 14-inch bar on there. But the battery itself weighs 2 pounds. That's it. Lasted about an hour, that battery. Okay, so the works jaw saw is 7.5 pounds. The battery is probably a pound. They lasted. The first one didn't last that long, but then once we just fully charged it, and I got 3 batteries for that one. Only got one for this one, but it charges fairly fast. It takes about an hour to charge that one. And these ones, maybe a little bit more, but they last 2 hours. And my wife likes this one. She says going from this one to that one, you got to be careful because this one is so safe. And that one is still a chainsaw, even though it's not gas powered. But she definitely prefers that to that Husqvarna we had. And anyways, they're both good purchases. We're happy. She's happy. So there you go.